Hey guys, the good folks over at MellowCamp sent me over this portable camping chair to do a little unboxing, put it together, and see what we think about it. So stick around and we'll see. Looks like it comes in a carrying bag. That's nice. Nice bag here. Carrying handles, good smooth zipper. Okay, our seat. Feels like a good thick material. Kind of like a army green or olive green, whatever you want to call that. Really nice. Has the mesh back on it. Get it put together and we can tell more about it. Pretty much is going to do itself here. The real trick is putting the canvas on there, the chair. Has the little slots that is poked up in. Just pull it out, put it in like that. Like that. I believe we got all of that done. Now, should be able to just kind of pull it apart here. Not pull it apart, but stretch it out. Okay, yeah. Just grab that right there, pull it, lock it in place. Has a little push pin right here. When you get ready to close that, just push the pin in, and that'll collapse. Grab it like that, slide it out, and there you go. That's easy enough. Okay, the posts here are going to go in the pockets right there. Just like that. There. And there. Just like that. Easy peasy. Has little pockets over here. You put your phone or whatever in right there. That'll be a nice one on each side. And here's that mesh backing that I was talking about. Keep your back cool and get a little breeze flowing through there. That is a nice looking chair, and it's lightweight too. I like that. Let's really test it. Let's sit in it. Oh yeah. That's not bad at all, y'all. Kind of sit back and relax. Get a little sun. Be a great fishing chair, which is exactly what I'm fixing to do. At least for a few minutes. And see how hard it is to get out of it. Oh, that's not bad at all. Like I said, it's got little pockets on it. Great for holding your fishing pliers. You can just sit right here and do a little fishing. So yeah, if you are looking for a camping chair or a fishing chair, nice and light chair to take with you, hiking, camping, fishing, sitting around the campfire, whatever you need to do, you might check this one out. It's a nice one. I like it. Hey, if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.